Dear students, today I am going to take class 5th Mathematics, Chapter 1 Place Value. Now I am going to give introduction about place value. Place value is the value of the digit according to its place or position in the number. Now we are going to see 7-digit number in the Indian place value system. There are two parts, one is Indian place value system, another one is international place value system. Now we are going to learn about Indian place value system for 7-digit number. First we have to make a place value chart for 7-digit number. So ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs. These all are in places. Ones, thousands, lakhs. These three are periods. Ones, tens, hundred. These three in ones period. Thousands and 10,000s. These two in thousands period. Lakhs and 10 lakhs. These two in lakhs period. When we have to put the commas, after ones period we have to put the commas, after thousands period we have to put the commas, after lakhs period we have to put commas. When you will write in the words, tens and ones we have to say together, 100 period is separate, thousands and 10,000, that means 1000 is separate and lakhs we have to say together. Let us see the example. Example 1. How will we write 10 lakh in the Indian place value system? First we have to count the numbers. How many numbers are here? There are 7 numbers. Like that we have to make a place value chart. So ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs. You see all the numbers are 0. So last number 1. So it is coming in 10 lakhs places. You see the commas where I have entered. After ones period means ones, tens, hundred. I put commas. After thousands period, 10,000, 10,000. After two numbers, then lakhs, 10 lakhs. So 10. When you will write in the words here 0, so nothing is there. Here also 0. But here you see in the lakhs period 1 0. 1 0 means 10. So 10. What is the period? Lakhs. So what is the answer? 10 lakh. When you will write in the words, we have to write like that only, 10 lakh. Example 2. Write the number 4290516 in the Indian place value chart. Also write with commas and in words. First we have to count how many numbers are here. There are 7 numbers are here. Like that we have to make a place value chart. When you will write the numbers, we have to start from right hand side. That means ones place we have to start. So 6 as a ones place, 1 as a tens place, 500 place, 0 thousands place, 9 10,000s place, 2 lakhs place, 4 10 lakhs places. Like that we have to enter in that place value chart. With commas. With commas means already I told after ones period. That means 5 1 6. Before 5 we have to put the commas, then 9. Before 9 we have to put the commas. When you will write in the words, now you see here 4 2. When you will write in the words, we have to start from left hand side. What is the first period? Lakhs period. What is the number? 4 2. 4 2 means 42 lakhs. Next, what is the period? Thousands period. What is the thousands period? 90. 90 means 90. 90 means what is the period? Thousands. So 90,000. I told 100 places separate. So 500. Tens and ones we have to say together. 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 means 16. Now you see. With the commas already I told 5 1 6. Before 5, before 9 we have to put the commas. When you will write in the words 42 lakh, this is 1000 period, 90,000, 100 is separate, so 516. 42 lakh 90,000 516. This is in words. Example 3. Write the number 8895790 with the commas and in words, and write the expanded form also. How many numbers are here? There are 7 numbers are here. Like that we have to make a place value chart. When you will write the number in the place value chart, we have to start from right hand side. When you will write in the words, we have to start from left hand side. Keep in mind when you will use. Now you see 0. 0 as a ones place, 9 as a tens place, 700 place, 5,000. 9 10,000, 8 lakhs, 8 10 lakh. Let us see the with the commas. After ones period I put commas, after thousand period I put commas. So when you will write in the words, we have to start from left hand side. First you see 88. these two numbers in lakhs period. So 88 lakh 95,000, 100 is separate, so 790. Next example, write the number 5528310 in words and write the expanded form also. Like that we have to make a place value chart. I added one more thing. This is a expanded form. Now you see 0 as a ones place. So 0 as a ones place means we have to do the multiply. When you will find the expanded form, first we have to do the multiply, finally we have to do the plus. 0 as a ones place. So ones place means what is the number? We have to do the multiply by 1. So 0 multiply by 1 is equal to whatever number, when you will do the multiply with 0, that whole number will become 0. So 0 multiply by 1 is equal to 0. Next 1. 1 as a tens place. So 1 multiply 1 as a tens place. So we have to multiply by 10. So 1 multiply by 10 is equal to 10. Next 3 as a 100 place. So 3 multiply by 100 is equal to 300. Here 300 will come. Next 8 as a 1000 place. So 8 multiply by 1000 is equal to 8000. 2, it is in 10,000 place. So 2 multiply by 10,000 is equal to 20,000. Next 5 multiply by lakhs equal to 5 lakhs. Next 5, this is 10 lakh place. So 5 multiply by 10 lakhs is equal to 50 lakh. Next we are going to see writing an 8-digit number in the Indian place value system. Already we have done 7-digit number. Next we are going to see 8-digit number. Like that we have to make a place value chart first. Now write the number 15023860 in the place value chart. Also write it with commas and write in words. This is how many numbers are here? There are 8 numbers. So like that we have to make a place value chart for 8-digit number. We have to start from right hand side. 0 as a ones place, 6 as a tens place, 800 place, 3000, 2 10,000, 0 lakh, 5 10 lakh, 1 added. This is a 8-digit number. So crores. So 1 as a crores place. Now you see the expanded form. 1 as a ones place. So we have to multiply by 1. So 0 multiply by 1 is equal to 0. Next 6 as a tens place. So 6 multiply by 10 is equal to 60. Next 8 as a 100 place. So 8 multiply by 100 is equal to 800. Next 3 as a 1000 place. So 3 multiply by 1000 is equal to 3000. 2 multiply by 10,000 is equal to 20,000. 0 as a lakhs place. Whatever number, when you will do the multiply with 0, that whole number will become 0. Next 5 as a 10 lakh place. So 50 lakh. Next 1 multiply by crore is equal to 1 crore. Next we have to put the commas. Like that only after ones period we have to put the commas. That means before 8 we have to put commas. 0, 6, 8, then commas will come. Next 1000 period. 3, 2, after we have to put the commas. 0, 5, after we have to put the commas. Next 1. Now we have to write in the words. When you will write in the words, we have to start from left hand side. So what is the number? Only 1. That period is crores. So 1 crore, 50. These two in lakhs period. 50 means 50. 50 lakh, 2, 3. These two numbers in 1000 period. So 23,000. Already I told 100 is a separate. So we have to write 800, 60. These two in ones period. So 60. This is in. Now you see 1 crore, 50 lakh, 23,860. Next one more example. Write the number. First we have to count the number. How many numbers are here? There are 8 numbers are here. That's why this is a 8-digit number. In the place value chart, also write it with commas and in words. So 8-digit number means we have to make a place value chart for 8-digit number. So we have to write from right hand side. 1 as a ones place. Like that we have to make a place value chart. So 1 as a ones place. So 1 multiply by 1 is equal to 1. Next 4 as a tens place. We have to multiply by 10. 3 as a 100 place. We have to multiply by 100. Like that we have to do the expanded form. Next we have to write with commas means after ones period. So 1, 4, 3, next we have to put commas, next 1000 period, 8, 6, then we have to put commas, next lakhs period, 5, 4, we have to put commas, finally 9. We have to write in the words. When you will write in the words, we have to start from left hand side. That means only one number, 9 crore, 4, 5. These two in lakhs period, 45 lakhs, 68, 68,000, 300, 4 and 1. 4, 1 means 41. Now you see 9 crore, 45 lakh, 68,000, 341. Next, this is home assignment. My dear children, you have to do it in your classwork copy. Exercise 1.1. Question number 1. Write the number in the Indian place value chart. Also write it with commas and write in words. Options are given. Now you see, first you have to count the numbers. How many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If there are 7-digit number means we have to make a place value chart like a 7-digit. If there are 8 number means we have to make a place value chart for 8-digit number. Then you have to put the commas also, you have to write in the words. No need to write the expanded form for first question. Question number 2. Write the period and the place value of the colored digit. You see, some of the numbers are, I had given in the color 5, 1, 6, 2, 0, 4, 7. But 6 number, this is in green color. So you have to find this is in which place. So you have to write the place value. Place value means 6 is a place value. 6, it is in which place you have to write. Question number 3. Write the expanded form. You have to make a place value chart. No need to put the commas. Already I put the commas. Only you have to write the expanded form and write in words also you have to write.